Welcome, dear friends. This would be an interesting introduction to Indian democracy and the Constitution of India. In the first lecture of this series, I am going to take you to a tour, a global tour of the right to vote movement. It is also called as the suffrage movement, and right to vote is considered to be a vital right in strengthening the democracies of around the world. Though our discussion, the discussions which we will be having in the future, would be concentrating more on the Indian democracy within the framework of Constitution of India. I thought that it is a great idea to take into consideration why the right to vote was given to different citizens of different parts of the world. So I would be focusing my attention on three important developed countries, namely France, the United States of America, and United Kingdom, especially their efforts to grant their citizens the right to vote, and then compare it with the Indian context. Why is it important to understand how this right to vote evolved in this? Because democracy's the foundation is voting. One can vote their government, vote to the power the government whom they consider to be fit to govern themselves. So I consider that for strengthening political democracy, people, irrespective of their status in the society, if they were to get the right to vote, that obviously would translate into strengthening the democracy. So let us look into the right to vote movement and what it achieved for Indians and for the citizens around the world. At the outset, let me tell you that when you talk about Indian democracy, we basically are restricting our discussion to the recent history of Indian movement. That is, we would say that India